All right, here is our refinishing of the floors on Casa de Hilltop. What I'm going to do is show you guys a couple pictures of the before. This is right after we took the keys. There was no furniture in the place. Literally, probably, I don't know how old the carpet was, but a little dingy, a little worn out. Even the previous owner said, hey, don't put your kid down on that because it was kind of dirty. But that's the living room. And again, you can see the spots in the wearing areas. There's some foot traffic there. And that is the dining room area. Again, just old carpet. This is a quote-unquote hallway right outside the bathroom leading into two bedrooms. The cool thing about the bedrooms, though, and I'll show you guys in the next picture, is they actually left the hardwood floor where you could see it. So at least we got to see that when we bought the property, which was awesome. And then here's just another angle of that same bedroom, and which is great. But yeah, great old original hardwood floors. Shoot, 70 years old. Hardwood floors do last. And the cool thing is, the unknown was there hardwood floors in that living room? Yes, it was. And why was that an unknown? Because it was an add-on a year after the original house. But here's the carpets pulled back and the floor sanded down, looking pristine, nice oak wood paneling all throughout this house, which was awesome to see. And it was so refreshing and bright to see that. And then we had to move into, here's the bedrooms redone too, but it took us a while to figure out what color, what stain we were going to go with. Luckily, I went with the wife's idea, and she let me know what she wanted to go with, which was great. But then we also had some, I guess, help from Lucas at the time. Well, he was just a little guy. Yeah, we definitely picked Mom's brain. He's a smart boy on what we should be doing there. But here's the first, I guess, staining, wasn't it? So we haven't put the sealant on it yet, but at this stage, here's the staining. And then here it is as it is, got some sealant on, and I think we went with a early English color. I forget the actual stain or gloss we put on it, but Prestige Hardwood did a fantastic job, and were quick and did everything they said they were going to do and met all our expectations. So project done, and it was great to move in with fresh, clean floors with our little guy.